Yeah, I had this little bad thing, something like them tens. She gave a nigga mad brains, something like the Wiz. But you see the sad thing, fucking with her is the chick ain't even had brains, dummy like a bitch. So I tried to show her about the world and about just who we really are, and where we've come and how we still have to go really far. Like, baby, look at how we live broke on the boulevard, but all she ever want me to do is unhook a bra. Then all I really want is for her to go down low. Before you know it, she wet enough to get drowned slow. And all that deep shit I was previously down for, replaced by freak shit I am currently down for. You see, I peaked it, pussy is power. That proud feeling we get knowing that pussy is ours. And how it feels to feel that feeling you feeling when you be drilling that shit. Got her saying you be killing that shit. And all the pain the world caused, she be healing that shit. And all that ain't your girl, dog, but you be feeling that shit. And you just wanna tell her everything she might need. But in the meantime, it's lights please, lights please, lights please. Turn off the lights. For now, everything just seems alright. And how you make the darkness seem so bright. I'm feeling like things gon' be alright. Lights please, lights please. Turn off the lights. For now, everything just seems alright. And how you make the darkness seem so bright. I'm feeling like things gon' be alright. Lights please, lights please, lights please, lights please. Turn off the lights, lights please.
First things first, rest in peace, sucker fail. For real, you the only father that I ever knew. I get my pregnant, I'ma be a better you. Prophecies that I made way back in the veil. Fulfill, listen, even back when we was broke, my team ill. Martin Luther King would've been on Trainville, talk to him. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Lazy can't tell the difference. One time for who knows. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. 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 No role models and I'm here right now. No role models to speak up. Searching through my memory, I couldn't find one. Last night I was getting my feet rubbed by the baddest. Not Trina, but I swear to God it's make you call your girl up and tell her, hey, what's good? Sorry, I'm never coming home, I'ma stay for good. Then hang the phone up and proceed to lay the wood. I came fast like 911 in white neighborhoods. Ain't got no shame about it. She think I'm spoiled and I'm rich cause I can have anything. Got defensive and said, nah, I was the same without it. But then I thought back to a better me. Before I was a B-list celebrity. Before I started calling 50 so heavily. Back when you could get a platinum plat without no melody. You wasn't sweating me. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Lazy and can't tell the difference. One time for who knows. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. 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 I want a real love. Dark skinned and bib love. That data in that weird love. That leave a toothbrush at your crib love. And you ain't gotta wonder whether that's your kid love. I guess I don't want no from reality shows. Out of touch with reality. Out in Hollywood, bringing back 5 or 6 chicks. And then we kick them to the door. You know how it goes. She deserve that. She a bird. It's a bird trap. You think if I didn't rap, she would flirt back. Taking off her skirt, let her wear my shirt. But she leave, I'ma need my shirt back. You know how it goes. One time for my LA sisters. One time for my LA. Lazy and can't tell the difference. One time for who knows. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved. Don't save her. She don't wanna be saved.
There's an old saying in Tennessee, I know it's in Texas, probably in Tennessee, that says, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me, we can't get fooled again.
Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me twice, keep with the blame on you. Fool me 3 times, the peace sign, load the chopper, let it rain on you. Fool me one time, shame on you. Fool me